Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very exciting foundation wear test. Today, I'm going to be trying out the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So I am going to be wearing one of these shades or maybe mixing, I'm not sure which one will be my shade. Then I'm going to be reviewing it, wearing it out in the world, and I'll let you know if this is worth your money or not. Before we get started in today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you guys to join the Deola Adebiyi family here on the internet. Also, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. But I always think any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. I have three shades here. I have F16, F14, and F15. So I have these three shades here. I'll be swatching these foundations on my chest and then I'll be able to decide which shade is mine. I already swatched them and I swatched them a while ago, but I don't remember which one is my shade. So I might as well just swatch them all for you guys. Before we get to swatching, let's read what this foundation claims to do. Ageless, unisex, affordable, yours. New to the Conceal and Define family, meet your Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Offering lightweight yet buildable coverage in 50 skin true shades, this versatile foundation is designed to suit every skin type and tone. With an oil-free yet creamy, comfortable formula that dries down to a long-lasting demi-matte finish, it won't settle into fine lines or cling to dry patches. Hello to my beautiful chest. Let's start some swatching. So I'm gonna swatch F14. What I really like about the foundation so far is the packaging, and this I think is ingenious. I really like how this doe foot applicator applies foundation. Like, just looking at it, I'm just like, I know I'm gonna have a good time with this foundation. So I'm gonna take a little bit of it and swatch it on my chest like this. So this is F14 swatched on my chest. I think it's a little cool. It's a little cool toned. It's a little cool toned. Let's see F15. There. So that's F15 swatched on my chest. I think it's a little dark. It's definitely more warm toned than this one, but let's see what F16 has in store. I can't get over this applicator. I literally cannot. I love it so much. This is F16. So these are the three shades swatched on my chest. I'm leaning towards F16 because it matches my chest really well. On the Makeup Revolution website, F16 is described as for dark skin tones with a warm undertone, which I do have. F15 is described as dark skin tone with red undertone, which I kind of see. I kind of see the redness there. Then F14 is for dark skin tones with a cool undertone. So yeah, I can't definitely not be able to use that. So I'm just gonna stick with F16. Before I apply the foundation, I'm gonna apply some primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. This is just an up-close look at what the foundation looks like. I'm really digging this tube thing. I didn't know if I would like it, but looking at it now, I'm really digging the packaging. It is 0.8 fluid ounces. Most foundations are 1 fluid ounce, but since it's a full coverage foundation, I hope it means that, a little bit goes a long way. Taking the doe foot and applying it to my face. It has a interesting scent. I really don't know how to describe the scent, to be honest, but not chemically, but like it reminds me of chemicals, but not bad chemicals, but like it smells like something. I just can't describe it. All right, let me blend this foundation out using my buffing brush. This is a really good match already. This is a very good match. Feels very lightweight on the skin. Blending very nicely into the skin, not having any problems. It looks very nice on my skin. I really like the way my skin is looking with this already. So this is the first layer of the foundation on my skin, and I'm really liking what I'm seeing. It blended really easily. Like, I have no problems with blending, and it is very lightweight, but a little bit does go a long way. My acne scars are fully covered up. My birthmark is faint right here. I can still see it, but it's very faint. I like how it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It's very light. My skin looks very smooth with this foundation. I really like how it looks. All right, I'm gonna put another layer because they said it was buildable. So I wanna see if I can build up some coverage on my cheeks. This is definitely a buildable foundation. It looks so smooth. Oh, my skin looks so smooth, my God. Yo, this is a very good match. I don't even need to take it down to my neck. Like, Literally, it's my shade. So this is a close-up of my skin with the foundation on. Again, very nice, very smooth, very lightweight. My pores look like they shrank. I look like I literally don't have pores anymore. I don't know if this has something in it that makes, you know, the skin look very like poreless, but I feel like my skin is very smooth and very like glassy. Not glassy, but like very nice and radiant. It looks very healthy. My skin looks healthy. It doesn't feel cakey at all. It's very lightweight. I feel like I don't need to set, oh no, I do definitely need to set this so it doesn't transfer, but it looks so good on the skin. So I'm gonna go right now and finish up my makeup, and I'll come back here with my thoughts about how it played well with other products and how it eventually sets into my skin. I am back, and this is the finished face of makeup. The foundation played very well with the other products. It didn't skip, it didn't give me any issues with blending. This foundation literally looks like my skin. It looks so good. The match is fantastic. That's what I'm just saying. Like, this matches my skin so well. It's just like, it's actually blowing my mind. Here is a close-up of my skin with all my makeup on. I really like the way my foundation looks. I really like the way this came out. Like, this looks very good, very healthy, very true to skin. I'm happy with this foundation, and it's such a good match. It's driving me insane on how much it's a good match, and it's like blowing my mind. So right now it is 3:44 p.m. I think I put on this foundation, let's say 15 minutes ago, so let's say 3:30. I had this foundation on. I am going to go about my day. Today's Tuesday, so I'm going to Taco Tuesday. I'm going to do a check-in while at Taco Tuesday, and then I'm going to do a check-in at the end of the night, and we can see how this foundation wore through the day. I really wish it wasn't raining, because I would really like to see how this foundation holds up in the Lagos heat and humidity. I'll try again another day, but today we have a little cold weather today. Hey guys, so it is a little bit past 7 p.m. and I have to say this foundation looks so good. Like, it looks like skin. I'm not even shiny here. It's so good at controlling oil. I'm just a little bit shiny, but apart from that, it's so good. It's so good. Like, I'm gonna insert a clip right here where there's like better light and stuff, but my skin looks so good, guys. So good. I really like the way my skin is looking. Foundation is already looking like a good hit. So far so good, man. It is doing something. I really like the way this foundation looks. So I'm gonna eat some cheesecake, and then I will come back to you guys with an update at the end of the night of how I look. Guys, what's up? Deola is here, and this is her final check-in. It is currently 11:02 p.m. and I applied this foundation to my face at 3:30, so that means it is 7 hours of wear time, and this is what my face looks like. I am very impressed with this foundation. It is so lightweight, it feels like skin, it looks like skin. I'm just a bit shiny on my nose here, but that is where I always get shiny. I really love how the foundation looks on my face. It didn't settle into my fine lines. I mean, this is 7 hours of wear time. 7 hours of wear time. I can still go. All I need to do is blot, and this face is ready for me. Would I suggest you buy this foundation? Would I suggest you buy this bad boy? Yeah, I would definitely buy this bad boy. Foundation is just £9. I don't know the conversion off the top of my head, but I'm gonna put it down here. But I think this is really affordable. I used the shade F16 and it was an honest perfect match. I have found a new everyday, I think even event foundation, because this foundation held up very well. Though I do wish I was able to test out this face of makeup on a hot day. I don't know if it performed better because it wasn't hot and humid. I will wear this foundation again, and I will update the description box of this video. I'm gonna put a picture right here with flash photography. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Do let me know if you have any questions. Just write them down in the comment section below and I'll answer all of them. Thank you guys so much once again for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.